Now we are discussing about Fibonacci series. So first we want to know what is Fibonacci series. So here we want to remember one point. Initially in Fibonacci series there are two values 0 and 1. There are two values. The Fibonacci series means the sum of previous two terms. Okay, I am saying again, Fibonacci series means the sum of previous two terms. So see, it is zeroth one. It is first place. Next second one. What is second one? Sum of previous two terms, right? So here one. Okay. So again next one is what? 1 plus 1. Okay. 2. And the sum of previous two terms. 1 plus 2 3. Next sum of previous two 2 plus 3 5. So in this way in this way sorry 8. In this way the terms are generated. The ith term is generated with sum of previous two terms. Okay, this term is generated based on addition of these two terms, right? This term is generated based on these two terms, addition of 2 and 3, right? Initially we have 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Initially we have 0 and 1. Okay, right. So now we will write the logic or pseudocode for the Fibonacci series. So I am reading the n value because so I am printing up to the n numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you give input as 6, you will get the output 7. You will get the up to here. Okay. Next, I am reading the n value and I am performing the operation for loop. So initially I am taking a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1. I am storing it. Basically we have two values, right? 0 and 1. I am storing these values in a and b, right? So for loop int I is equals to 1, I less than or is equals to n, I plus plus. I am iterating the loop and I am printing the a value. Okay. After printing the a value, just I am doing some operation. A is equals to b, b is equals to sorry. After printing, I am doing c equal to a plus b and a equal to b, b equal to c. Okay. See here, I will explain how this will how it will working. So initially, what is I value? 1, right? So is 1 less than or equal to, I am taking n as 5. Is 1 less than or equal to 5? Yes, condition is true, right? So I am printing the a value. I am printing the a value. What is a value? 0, right? So 0 is the output. So this is the output, right? So after printing the output, I am doing some operations. C equal to a plus b. What is a plus b? 0 plus 1 means c is equals to 0 plus 1. C becomes 1, right? So after that, I am swapping the b value to a. What is b value? 1, right? So a becomes 1. B equal to c. I am swapping the c value into b. C value is also 1, right? So once the execution is completed, after completion of iteration, I will incrementing the I value. Is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes, condition is true. So I am adding the a plus b values. Previously what? A is 1 and b is also 1. 1 plus 1. What is output? C. So sorry, I am printing the 1, right? What is a value? Here, after completion of this iteration, I am printing the a value, right? So 1 is printed. After printing, adding a plus b. A value is 1, b value is 1. So c becomes 2, right? After that I am swapping again. What is b value? 1. And what is c value here? 2, right? So after completion of this iteration, I will incrementing the I value again. Is 3 less than or equal to 5? 3 less than or equal to 5? Yes, condition is true. So I am printing the A value. What is A value now? A value is 1. Here see. What is A value? 1. So 1 is printed. After that printing, I am adding A plus B. What is A? A is 1, B is 2. So C becomes 3, right? Now what is the B value? B value is stored in A. So A equal to 2 and C value is stored in B. So what is C value? 3. So again I will incremented. I becomes 4. Is 4 less than or equal to 5? Yes, condition is true. So I am printing the A value. What is A value? 2, right? So after printing I am adding the A plus B. What is A plus B? 2 plus 3, right? So 2 plus 3 means 5. So A becomes 3, B becomes 5. Okay. So again I will incrementing the I value. After incrementing the I value, is 5 less than or equal to 5? Yes, condition is true. So I am printing the A value. What is A value here? 3, right? So after printing, I will adding the again and A and B values. 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5? 8. So A will becomes 3, sorry 5 and B becomes 8. After completion of iteration, again I will incrementing the I value. Is 6 less than or equal to 5? No, right? This condition is false. When this condition is false, the loop will exit. The loop will exit, right? So after exiting, just this is the program. This is the output, right? I am printing here only. This is the output 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. See here. When I given as input 5, this is the output, right? Okay. Let's code it in the online compiler. Int n, scanning the n. I am taking the input from the user. For loop int I is equals to 1, I less than or is equals to n, I plus plus. Okay. So I am here initializing a equal to 0, b is equals to 1 and declaring the c. So I am first of all I am printing the a value, right? Percentile d space a. After printing a is equals to b, before a equal to b, c equal to a plus b, right? After adding c equal to b, b equal to c, right? So if I give 5 as input, so see here. So semicolon is not given. So see here, this is the output. When I given as 5, this is the output, right? if I start from 0, you will go until less than n, right? Okay, so same output is displayed. If I given as, what is our second test case, 1, the output will 0 and 1, so it will printing 0, right? So if I keep here less than or equal to n, so see here 0 and 1, so if I given as 0 as input, so 0 will be the output. Okay, right? This is the program for Fibonacci sequence, Fibonacci series. Okay, thank you.